How to fix Frigidaire oven error code F050 cross solution and reset right. Error code F50 on a Frigidaire oven indicates a problem with the electronic oven control or a communication issue between the control board and the keyboard display. You may also hear beeping or notice the oven is not working properly. Quick checklist. Make sure the oven is plugged in and the breaker is not tripped. Check for loose connection. Perform a power reset. Check the ribbon cable. Inspect the control board if the error return. Common cause: loose or disconnect ribbon cable, faulty electronics oven control, corrupted control board, power surge or interruption, moisture or overheating damage to control component. Step 1. Turn off the oven at the circuit breaker. Unplug the oven or switch off the breaker. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. Restore power. Check if the error is clear. Display these. Check the display. If F50 is still displayed after the reset, proceed to the next step. If the display is blank, check the power supply first. Check the ribbon cable. Locate the ribbon cable between the keypad display and the control board. Make sure it is surely connection at the both ends. If loose, reset it firmly. Step 4. Inspect the ribbon cable. Look for any damaged burr, bent pin or broke trace. If damage, replace the ribbon cable. Check connection. Check all wire harness connected to the electronic oven control. Make sure they are tight and not corroded. Reset any loose connection. Step 6. Inspect the control board. Look for burnt component, dark spot or swelled capacitor. If you see damage, the control board may need replacement. Step 7. Replace the control board. If the error code F50 persists after the checking all connection and the ribbon cable, the EOC is likely faulty. Replace it with a new compatible control board. Step 8. Reset after repair. After replacing the part, restore power. The display should turn on normally. Set the time and the reset oven. When the issue fits, the error code F50 will disappear. The oven will operate normally. All functions will work as expected. Additional tip is avoid power surge. Use a surge protector. Keep the oven dry and well ventilated. If the error occurs after a power outage, it may clear after a full reset. Important note: F050 is not a temperature related error. It is a control communication error. If you are not comfortable working with appliance electronics, contact a qualified technician. If you need more help, here is the link below. You tap and visit the official website. You can also call the customer care service center. If the oven does not work after trying all steps, there may be internal control board failure. Contact Frigidaire customer support or a professional technician. You can also scan for support center for video and articles.